It is your girl Angelle, and welcome back to Angelle's Life. We got 2 Coach unboxings. I ain't gonna take up too much of y'all time today. Let's get right into it. But before we do, I want to say welcome to all my new subscribers. Welcome back to all my day ones. What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? My name is Angelle. I run a style, travel, and lifestyle channel. So if any of that sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and click on the notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos, and subscribe to the channel. Let's get into the outfit of the day. All right, y'all. So we are artsy fartsy today. The outfit of the day is this one nude, like Calvin Klein bra. Then we have it styled with this KK Cole sheer maxi dress with the sleeves and it's so extra, but I absolutely love everything about it. It is asymmetrical. I knew I would be wearing it in a very casual way, so I really do love it. I have those styled with my Joe's jeans, my Converse Run Stars, and my Reese belt, and then we pulled out the Loewe puzzle in the orange for the pop of color. No sunnies today because the beat is beating, and you know, you gotta take in the face while you take in the dress. You understand what I mean? So yeah, but that is the outfit of the day. I do have this dress in a size extra small. Bought it from Nordstrom Rack. The jeans are from Saks Off Fifth or Nordstrom Rack as well. Converse belt, Reese bag, Loewe. That is the outfit of the day. Let's get into these handbag unboxings. All right, y'all know Coach has been all the craze, all the rave since they dropped the Empire bag, right? So I went ahead, but not just that, there's a lot of stuff in their fall lineup that is very cute, very interesting. So, you know, I had to go ahead and pick something up for the little fall or whatever, and I ended up getting 2 bags. One I'm completely sure of, second one not so much, but we're gonna figure it out. So let's start off here with this one, and we're gonna start off with the one that I'm absolutely sure of. And of course we got a bag charm because it's 2024, and apparently you can't buy a Coach bag without buying a bag charm, girl. So let's go ahead and unbox her. Mind you, I do want to let y'all know I buy all my bags in stores, so I have already seen it. It is the Coach Soft Tabby. I think it's called the Soft Tabby. So what made me get this bag? I actually went in to get the Coach Brooklyn, which is a hobo bag, but in like the suede material, but the color on it was a poo brown, like a light poo brown, like a, girl, you need more fiber in your diet, poo brown, and I absolutely hated it. I wanted something more of this like kind of cognac brown color to go with my cork clogs, right? Hold on. Now, if you have been watching my recent videos, then you know I picked up these cork clogs. Now, they don't match perfectly, but they look good together. You understand what I'm saying? Do you understand what I'm saying? Love that. Like, and I saw this last season, and I actually thought about picking it up last season, and I did not. I don't know why. But we have a zip in the back. Nice flap here. Throw some shit in there, okay? Then we gonna flip it open. We have the extra strap, and then we have a zip pocket right here in the front, and then it's just a pit. But listen, super cute. Like, yes, for the fall, I love the fact that it's suede here and then leather here. Like, y'all, it is a very, very cute bag. Absolutely excited to own her, and I know for a fact she is going to be easily styled up in the fall. This is a medium-sized bag, so y'all know it's going to fit all my shit. It can fit a full-size wallet, it can fit my phone, it can fit my keys, it can fit my car holder. Like, this is a very decent-sized bag, so I'm not going to throw my stuff in it because y'all can tell that this bag is fitting a lot. Y'all know I don't carry much. Most of my bags are minis, So this goes above and beyond. The price was $3.95. They did do a military discount, so I ended up paying less than that. I don't know. I'll put it on the screen if I'm wrong, but I did pick up something else, okay? And I got my initials stamped. I got AMR heat stamp plus that red Gemini symbol, right? Now, red Gemini symbol, make it tie together, Angelle. Let's go. So I did pick up a bag charm. Y'all know bag charms are all the rave nowadays. Y'all saw the little black one that I put on my vintage Soho. So here is the little bag charm that I picked up. So it's the cherries. Is that not adorable? Is that not adorable? And this is what I'm thinking. I'm thinking right here on the side like this here. Super cute. Love that. Love that. Is that not it? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Listen, we are fall ready. And not just that, I don't know if you realize this. This got a little weight to it. It's a little hollow, but it got a little weight. But if you gotta hit somebody with your bag, bitch, this gonna knock them out. This gonna knock them out, girl. They gonna have a black eye. So it's a bag. And it's big enough to carry all your essentials. Girl, and it's a weapon. Girl, no, you better ask about me. Super cute. Absolutely love this one. 10 out of 10 would recommend. I know I'm going to be grabbing her all fall, ready and willing, with my corks clogs that I could just slide on into. Coming along, let's jump right into the second bag though, because I don't want this video to be too long. So let's get into the second bag. What's up, y'all? All right, so my microphone went dead. So I literally was, y'all see me talking to y'all. Y'all see me talking to y'all, but obviously y'all don't hear me because my microphone went dead. Now it's gonna click back in. I'm gonna realize it went dead and it's gonna click back in at some point, but not yet. So we just gonna talk about it. So the second bag that I got is the Coach Merlo Tabby in the size 20. First of all, y'all, the color on this bad boy, everything. I love this Merlot color. Again, this is the size 20, so it comes with the longer shoulder strap. Coach had, okay, so bitch, I'm getting my life, ain't I? Goddamn, y'all missing out. I look like I was saying something, but it comes with the two straps. The back pocket, this longer shoulder strap is way better than the older shoulder strap. You got that front pouch, that second pouch, you got the little zip pouch, and then you have a 2-compartment pouch in the middle. And of course, it fits my phone, right? Now, I'm gonna be completely honest with y'all. I really do love the bag. And in the video, I am talking about how much I think the bag is really cute and perfect for my small frame and size. And the shoulder strap is doing everything that it needs to. But I did end up returning the bag, right? The bag was perfect outside of the fact that it don't fit shit. All right. Now, y'all already know I got my denim tabby in the size 20, and that one don't fit shit. Okay. Now, this one look like it may be able to fit a card or maybe like a very small chapstick more. But baby, these bags don't fit a motherfucking thing with your thoughts, okay? And it barely fits that, bitch. Don't have too many thoughts, because if you do, you're not gonna have room for your keys and your cell phone, all right? But I really, really do love the bag. It was only $3.50, and I'm saying only that like that's not expensive. That's expensive, but it was $3.50. And it's a really not bad, it's not a bad price. It's a beautiful color. And again, it fits my frame perfectly. That's what I mean when I say the bag is perfect. The bag looks so good on my 5 foot, 120-pound frame. Like, it fits perfect. It looks so good. But she don't fit nothing, and I'm just, and it's like, if you're gonna have a bag that's not gonna fit anything, it's like, okay, but it gotta be like, like that, throw it on them, or have good resale value or something. And it's just kind of like, I don't know, like, this bag isn't special enough, in my opinion, for me to keep while fitting nothing, if that makes sense. Comment down below. Say, Angelle, I feels ya, if you understand what I mean when I say that. But the audio is kicking back in. I love y'all. Thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Me. So y'all, my mic went dead, and I don't know at what point the mic went dead, but what I will say is this. The bags, I have the denim tabby, I now have the soft tabby, and now we have a tabby 20, and they all have the C on it. Although they are different bags, they still give similar vibes, if that makes sense. Maybe it is because of the C on it, I'm not sure, but you know, it's just kind of like, all right, now what we doing? What are we doing? So for that reason, I am thinking about exchanging this tabby for the Empire, because I do think the Empire is giving something completely different, especially something completely brand new for Coach. So that's what I'm thinking. But y'all, those are the two bags. I didn't show y'all what they hitting for. Comment down below, let me know, do y'all have either of these bags? Should I keep? See, that's what I'm saying, like the strap, because I like to go out with my strap in the bag, right, in case I want to. It can't even fit the goddamn strap that it come with. Jesus, like that really is my biggest issue. And the 26 is just too big. The 26 is just too wide on my little frame. So again, this bag is perfect on my frame. The 20 is perfect on my little frame. Like, it's perfect on my little petite frame, but it don't fit nothing. Nothing, not a good goddamn thing. Okay, barely fit my thoughts and my emotions, honey. And that's a problem. You know, and if it is gonna be small and it ain't gonna fit nothing, then it really gotta do something. It gotta speak to me, my soul, gotta have some good resale value. I don't know, something. And it has none of those things. That's just what it is. So I think I am going to go ahead and either return this or exchange this one. But I did love it in the store, and the sales associate convinced me to get it because it was the last one. I ain't want nobody to steal my shit. But y'all, that's all I got. Ain't got no more. Comment down below, let me know, what do y'all think of the bags? Should I keep the Merlo Tabby 20? What do we think of the soft tabby? Absolutely love her. Did we not love it with the corks claws? Too cute. Stomping down a pavement near you, baby. I'm on the way. But that's all I got. Ain't got no more. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at angelleslife and on TikTok at @angelleslife. Also, like this video if you like this video, and again, comment down below, let me know, should I keep the Merlo Tabby and which bag was your favorite. But I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Ease.